All right, guys, welcome to our $5 million case study. This is on a story with Frankie and I. Obviously, you've seen the whole course. We work very well together. And our main pinnacle is this store that we use TikTok ads on. Obviously, down the line, we tried Facebook, we tried Google, Snapchat, even Taboola, but we tried everything. And TikTok ads was our main catalyst to sale. So this is going to be like an overall case study, just going over exactly what we did from start to finish, how we found the product, how we sourced the ads, how we tested it, ran the ads, and what variables we looked at to hold consistent, and how we were able to always run this store, and it just wasn't some turn and burn product. So yeah, Frankie, say what's good. Give them a little rundown on the store, and
Sure.
let's get into it.
100%. No, thank you. Yeah. So, as you guys know, if you haven't seen the original content with me and Solja on his YouTube, we found out that we work very well together when we had our first $70,000 day. So, we took the same category of product that we decided would be a great fit to work into a brand. We decided to basically focus all our time, energy, and effort instead of just finding or expanding that dropshipping product, rather converting into a branded format and actually focusing on, private labeling this product so that the packaging has the logo, hiring influencers, filming UGC, doing all the above that really is necessary once you find that beginning metric of a winning product in order to convert it to a multi-million dollar brand, which you see in front of you. So it's been a long journey. I think it's been almost 7 months, but currently sitting at around 5 million in total sales. Me and Soldier are still
Even longer.
a bit longer. Okay, beautiful.
Dude, time's flying.
We've
Yeah.
been working on this basically for a very long time now. In terms of actually converting it to a brand now and really grinding, I would say we've been putting in the most work in the last 6 or 7 months. So we've been in the shadows kind of with this brand. I'm pretty certain everybody watching this video has seen our ad or has at least engaged with this product at one point on PP ads or AdSpy. We had two very large campaigns, one on Facebook targeting older individuals, one on TikTok targeting younger individuals. The TikTok one we spent more money on than Facebook. But either way, you guys know this product. Trust us. We're not going to tell you the product, we're not going to tell you the brand. But what we can do is we can basically break down the start to finish process on what we did to find the winner, how we emphasized that it was a winner, and why me and Solja decided to basically inject a vast amount of capital into this product in order to take it to the next level, and how you can do that at a much lesser scale and scale progressively up. Now, obviously, me and Solja, we are individuals who have the capital to inject hundreds of thousands of dollars into a winning product if we find fit. If you're starting with a budget of, let's say, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, you can reverse engineer those same metrics and convert that into a strategy that you find fit and just start at a lesser scale. Okay. So one of the main takeaways, and then I'll go back to you, Solja, is for me, when you're really taking a product that is an absolute home run, you have to be okay with going negative sometimes because attribution targeting is so important and actually having that pixel data being built up, even on the TikTok side of things with a brand versus a drop shipping product. Drop shipping products, you can scale, you can pixel cloak, you can domain cloak, you can do all those things if you're just looking to get in, get out, make a quick buck. Nothing illegal, obviously. But in terms of building out a brand, those conversion metrics are super important. So we were very, very aggressive with our ad spend. And we did that for a very good reason. So, one, we wanted to push our competitors out of the market and make this brand the biggest brand. Because even if we knew we were going negative on month one and a half, we believed in this product so well in the category that it sits in that we knew if we can just push everybody out as competition and we could be the ones that are selling this particular line of products in this particular niche, targeting this specific community of individuals, I can say it's women, it's definitely women, then we knew that we would be able to take this from $70,000 days to $250,000 days, upwards of, I think our biggest month was almost $2 million. So getting there is not the hard part. It's calculating the math and your risk tolerance in order to get there, and you're going to have to go negative. So I think everybody just assumes that all these days me and Soldier are making money. That's not the case. We're making a bunch of money now because we have no competitors. We are the brand. We have an email list of over like 160,000 customers now. Our referral program is intact. Like Soldier said in the beginning, too, we have Google Ads, Taboola, Snapchat, TikTok, Facebook. We're retargeting on all those platforms as well with that built up audience. Our SMS blasts send a blast to about 38,000 to 44,000 people every single time we do a campaign. This is how you structure a dropshipping winning product and convert it into a winning brand. And we'll outline all of that for you guys within this course and the modules that you guys are about to watch. This is kind of more of a case study video We're showing you the results that we've been working on. We'll continuously progress and update on these results rather. Me and Solja actually plan on selling this company down the line. So we might be looking at what was our figure? What did we say? 20 million exit, 10 million each. But the main thing that we're focusing now on is LTV. So it's not the initial 30% days that we're looking at. We're looking at obviously building out a recurring back end. I think there's two forms of income that they look at. They look at projected income. So that's income that they can expect month after month after month without the need for really intensive marketing like TikTok ads or like Facebook ads. And the second metric is really the email list and the customer retention. So the returning customer rate is really a great attribute to see how well your business performance is, going back to like what Leo said in terms of customer service and maintaining your customers as being as happy as possible. That's obviously our focus with the brand. Whereas with dropshipping stores, as we know, the customer isn't always the focus. It's more the percentage of profit that you're receiving on the initial sale. So
a lot of guys, man, you got to just stop focusing on, yeah, I understand, just waking up running ads. That's how you're going to make money. But you got to focus on every aspect of the business. Don't quit. Don't stop your day after that. But yeah, no, looking at this, I mean, you guys see the revenue. This is definitely going to be obviously an upward of 7 figures, hopefully 8-figure exit for the two of us. That's the goal here. Upon, the product research, I know a lot of you guys want to know about like, what is the product? I mean, Frankie's right. You've seen our ads. We are probably the number one, brand that's been going on TikTok since, late September and going on till now. So what is it? So we do jewelry. Jewelry is obviously set in place. Anyone who's 18 to 55 years old, they can gain value from it. It's a general product. And then there's so many different angles and niches you can go down with it. So, I mean, I'm not going to say too much here. It's pretty obvious, but obviously, it's a print on demand jewelry store. So we were able to, we didn't even need to make too many creatives. The first creative we even used is still scaling to this day. That's a lot of even my personal store that I've ran for 4 years now, I can still, bring out that old creative that I originally won with, on Facebook back in 2018, and I can still perform today. So, that's definitely a good sign when you have something like that, because it just shows that, any passerby or anyone who can, come see that ad for the first time, they can gain value from it. So, that's something we definitely focused on when it comes to the ad creative, and really just scaling. We've been using our end of day surf scaling strategy. There's videos in this Black Hat course going over that fully in depth, but that's really, we've just been using it and abusing it, and it's worked for our favor. I mean, it's been great, hasn't it? It's been great.
It's the best. And I have to say, like, if you can find a partner out there, it's better to join than compete. And I think what me and Leo found very early on, like this is like way back, is we realized that we were both competing with each other on the algorithm within the same niches over and over and over again. And obviously you have that home run product that you've been running forever. And I decided to compete at a particular time. And then we both were like, well, why are we going to compete? Let's just join forces. Yeah. And we haven't looked back since. So, I mean, we are the biggest seller in this category. I know that for a fact. It's not to gloat. It's just to show you guys that, the stuff that we're preparing to show you guys in this course is the one-to-one, no bullshit, what we do and what we use for our own brands and our own businesses that we're partnered on and that we have independently. So you're not getting some fluff content on YouTube. Not saying YouTube's bad content, but just in general, like this course is definitely a tell-all, and we're not holding anything back. So we're prepared to give you guys all the necessary information other than the obvious brand. For legal reasons, we have a little bit of outside money now in terms of physical investors on the store, and we have NDAs in place. So we can't physically tell you the store, but how much more obvious can we make it? If you have a PP ad subscription, you've definitely seen our ad before, and we're planning on showing you guys exactly what we did to get it to that scale, and we're very excited to do so. So
yeah, this course, guys, I'm not the guy, I don't do courses or anything. So when it first came to me, the idea, it was from you guys. All of you guys have been asking me, so why not be myself? As you guys know, when it comes to YouTube, everything Discord, I'm the most fully unleashed motherfucker there is. So, me, Frankie together, it's you're in good hands. You're in good hands. So, Congratulations, and I'm really glad you guys are here. We're going to be breaking down this store. We're going to be showing, different tactics that we used on this store because obviously, at scale, things get hasty.
Mhm.
So, going down from that so you guys could do the same with your own. I mean, that's what it's all about. So, without further ado, I'd say let's get into the other modules.
100%. Welcome in, guys.